Hiya, I'm Marcus from All Ages Airsoft, and today we're doing another unboxing video, which is the Lancer Tactical cthulha, which is basically a modified version of a AAP-01. So, looking at the box, you can see it's a little bit special. Nice plastic hard case. You've got that, which basically means your instructions are all under there. Bit of silicone, try not to eat that, it really doesn't work well. You have a cocking handle, a compensator plus a barrel protector nut, some spare seals, a RMR plate, so you can mount a red dot RMR unit to your pistol, and some RIS rail that can be mounted on the top. And you've got your pistol. Standard AAP Glock mags. Exactly the same as an AAP. Your selector is this little lever here. One side is semi-automatic, the other side is full auto. Slide release is that there. Your safety catch is this lovely little red catch, which is very stiff because it's brand new. But there you go. You've got a thumb rest for when you're shooting like that, magazine catch, and an adjustable trigger, so you could take up the backlash. So you could just, once you've got the gun firing, you can remove any excess over travel. Nice aluminium red anodized outer barrel, threaded muzzle, and fibre optic sights. Your hop up is in exactly the same place, just in here, this little wheel back here, as a normal AAP. The muzzle brake will just screw straight on. It does come with a little red O-ring which we've already put on. Opposite hand thread, so any standard tracer unit or muzzle attachment will fit, and sometimes they do not quite line up properly, so you have to, there we go, like that. And this unit will just fit on like that, and then tighten up with an Allen key. So that would be the fully assembled pistol. Very nice little gun, cheap money. The only thing I personally think they could have done better would have been make the case so you could have the gun fully assembled as is now and have it in a pistol case, whereas at the moment to have it in the case you have to remove the accessories. But other than that, really nice little pistol, works well, just as good as a normal AAP. There you go, available at All Ages Airsoft. Thanks for watching. Right.